I migrated in 2011, and I didn't know that I was migrating. I didn't know I was an immigrant. I came as an au pair, a nanny, and I ended up in a home of a family in the Dutch countryside. I saw this building, the Scheepvaartmuseum, and I saw this replica ship of the VOC. It was right here on the Oosterdok when they spoke clearly after centuries of silence. Having rose to the VOC ranks to become a captain, this seaman, Jan, has made a killing. Raking in guilders and shillings from his humble beginnings as a farmer's son to the violent voyages that set him apart. Along the way, he learned that it pays to harden your heart. The next land we conquer will be my claim to fame. I'm seeing forts, factories, new networks of trade. Oh God of mysteries, guide me to be truly undeniable. A mangled distortion, I am large. I'm straining out against his ribcage and I become pride. I am floaty. I am light. I am everywhere. I become air. Storm clouds part and the path to land becomes clear. The surf draws near. Soon Jan and this ship will reach the shore. Hoekom maak jy ons dood? Na al die krag wat jy al geklaim het, hoekom pleeg jy nog moord? Wat wil jy hê ons moet hoor? Kom, jy het my nou. Fluister in my oor. Hoeveel skepe gaan jy nog laat sink? Hoeveel manne gaan jy nog dryf om te drink? Wat kom jy van ons haal? Speak up sodat ons mekaar mooi kan verstaan. Ek wil weet, wat is julle naam? Why do you kill? After everything you've swallowed whole, you still seem to be insatiable. What did you come to claim? Why are you here and what is your name? She gasps for air. She morphs into longing. Her vision spinning. She gasps for air, she morphs into longing, her vision spinning. Gravity pulls her down, she cannot hear us, we have faded from sound. From sight, try as she might, she fights. She is caught in the undertow of waves she doesn't know. With our languages no longer alive in the air, the silver threads of memory pull at the limbs like gravity. Someone will have to remember the lost dimensions of reality. If God is change, then like clouds over the planet, the people rearrange. Landing in dry places as rain, so that we might have a chance to need each other again. If the indigenous could speak today, what might they say? Because of you, I am no longer the same. Because we are here together, the wind knows our names. We are water, earth, and air. Migrating, moving, changing, reciprocating, remembering. That is what makes a home. And a sense of belonging is not created alone.